I have perfected the art of entering a tiny tuk-tuk, I think.
We're going to breakfast, and breakfast is on the same level as the pool. So let's take a peek at the pools. Usually it costs around $10 to purchase breakfast from this place if you want to eat here. Justin got us a deal, so we only paid $2, and it was basically a full breakfast and lunch with coffee. I have yogurt and muesli. I have some fruit and some chicken just to try it, some eggs. This is milk and muesli. We're gonna find out if I like this. I don't even know what this is. It's kind of a very mild flavor. It reminds me of watermelon. It's good. Our first order of business today is to go to the NBTC, which is the National Office of Broadcasting and Telecommunications, where I'm going to try and get a permit to fly my drone. Going to the office and submitting your paperwork and all of the documents that they require is only half of what you need to actually fly a drone here in Thailand. You also need a permit to fly from the CAAT. I applied for that over a month ago and still haven't received it. I did get an update email from them saying that I should have it today, but it's not here yet. So we're gonna go try and get the permit here that we're gonna need since we're in Bangkok and the office is here. That way we'll have that permit. So if I get the second permit, I'll be able to fly. I found an amazing article online that talks about how to get this permit. So you look for this building, and then there's another building to the right of it where you actually go to get the permit. Getting the drone permit at the NBTC was really easy. It only took about half an hour. Hi, kitty. You're a good drone kitty, aren't you? Taxi to and from the NBTC cost around $6 total. Just the ease of being able to be dropped off right where we need to be made that really, really worth it. We're gonna do just a hint of research, and then we're gonna go out and see some old temples. About an hour drive outside of Bangkok is Ayutthaya, a World Heritage Site known for its ancient temples. I'm spending the day there with my best friend Justin, as well as Matt and Tina, two of our friends who are tagging along for parts of this trip to Thailand. We are north of Bangkok. This little island is covered in temples. It used to be the old capital. It's called Ayutthaya. I'm not really good at pronouncing things here, but it is absolutely stunning. Entry into each of the temples costs 50 baht for foreigners, so we're going to be wandering around the island and looking to see which of these temples we actually want to enter and which ones we just want to wander past. Look at how cute the bats are.
Wait, bats are birds.
Those are definitely bats. I can smell the guano. It is quite hot. I'm going to be applying sunscreen a lot today. We got tired of looking for a crosswalk, so we just crossed the road, and it turns out that we are only 3 feet from the crosswalk. Good job. The drive here took about an hour, and it cost around 800 baht. We ended up paying 900 just because the drive is so long that a lot of the people that drive taxis don't actually want to make the trip. So we gave them a little extra, and it'll cost around the same to get home if we can find someone to take us back. I don't think I've ever heard this many birds in one place. There's so many different kinds of calls. We're right in here. There's lots of little lakes in here, and then this whole place is surrounded by rivers, and you can actually take a river tour, which we may or may not be doing. We haven't decided. Oh. Hi.
Okay. Our next mission is Thai tea, which is just tea and milk with ice. And it's apparently very, very delicious. Thai tea.
What is this?
I don't even know how to describe this flavor. It's much sweeter than I was expecting. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Not too sweet for you?
I don't know where we're going. I'm following you.
There's lots of little kids playing. I think there's a school nearby. We're headed to this little temple here. That gets steep. Our walk continues. We made it to the river. One of the nicest temples is on the other side of the river, so that's where we're headed. Terrifying, but cool, yes. We're headed over here, I guess. Time's getting away from us. Everything's further than we thought, so we're gonna try and get a tuk-tuk.
100 baht. 100? 100 baht.
100?
Just there? Yeah.
It's like 200 for an hour
Yeah.
tuk-tuk though. It's gonna be like a couple minutes.
Let's just do it.
Okay.
It's $3, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Tuk-tuk. Yes, I'm fine. I don't fit.
Okay. We're doing a tuk-tuk.
Always barter, Justin. We learned this in China.
I should have said what?
Remember? Always barter.
Should have said
He never
80.
listens to me.
Let's start with 50.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bartering. On the way to this temple, we were approached by a tuk-tuk driver who offered us a free ride to this temple. And we turned it down, and he insisted, it's free, no money, because he was coming here anyways. And he explained to us that it was very far, and we wanted to walk. We enjoy walking, and we like seeing things while we walk, and so we turned him down probably 6 times before he moved on. And so we kept on walking until we got to that intersection that was looking a little terrifying, and we weren't sure how much further it was going to be, so we called a tuk-tuk. And we paid way too much money for a tuk-tuk. And when we arrived in a tuk-tuk, our friend who offered us the free ride was sitting right at the entrance, and he was mad. He like yelled at us and was like, "Wah!"
He probably said, I told you so.
He was very upset with us for taking a tuk-tuk after turning him down. The tuk-tuk that we paid to bring us here is going to take us all the way back to where we started, because we missed one of the most important temples without even realizing it. There's a very, very famous spot with a Buddha and a tree that's really beautiful that we want to see, and we can't walk back there before the sun goes down. So we're gonna take this tuk-tuk that's waiting for us now and do that final temple, and then we will head back to Bangkok.
I have perfected the art of entering a tiny tuk-tuk, I think.
Okay, so we're looking for the Buddha in a tree and hoping that it's not closed, because it is almost 6 o'clock and the sun is going down and we are running out of time. Thanks to the tuk-tuk ride, we made it on time. They let us in. The sky is turning pink. It's absolutely stunning, and we get to see the Buddha in the tree, which is one of the really iconic things to see here. I can't believe we came close to missing it. Here it is.
glad we made it back here. All I have left to do today is get back to Bangkok, which is going to be interesting because the drive is 1 hour. We have the Grab Taxi app, and most of the taxis don't want to do a full hour drive to a different city. So what we're hoping is we can find somebody who drove out here and wants to get back home to Bangkok who will take us. We were able to get somebody on our first try on this app. Hopefully it works out. We're trying to find them. We keep chasing this person that's trying to find us, and we never can quite catch them. I think they're going in circles around us. Yeah, I'm worried if we keep moving, then we'll never find him.
What does the Ford Fiesta look like?
We sent him a picture of where we are, and hopefully that helps him get to us. Yay, our ride! Thank you. I just got the email from Kat. Oh, you can't even see that, it's too bright, but I just got the email saying that my registration has been approved, so I will be able to fly the drone in Thailand. And I'm kind of freaking out about it. Part of me thought that I wasn't gonna get approved, that I was going to pay all this money for a drone and drone insurance and do all this paperwork and have it all end for naught, but I've been approved. Yay! We are looking for a restaurant to get some dinner. Everybody's starving, so we're gonna see if we can get a good meal, and then we will try and get some rest because we have a flight tomorrow really early in the morning. Inside is completely full, so hopefully that means this restaurant's really good. Well, my main interest is drinks. They have lemon juice with honey with a wow next to it. The wow lemon juice is apparently sold the entire table, so we're getting 4 of them. This lemon juice better be wow. Well, that looks beautiful. Cheers. Oh, that's good. That's refreshing. They just found us a spot upstairs, so we're not gonna be eating outside. We'll be eating inside. These stairs are completely ridiculous. This is like Great Wall of China level stairs here. Gotta be careful of our heads. I kind of love this, actually. Okay, we did it. Look at this decor, though. This place has so much character. This is absolutely incredible. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. This ceiling is about 4 feet high. This would be completely illegal in the States. Check out how thick the honey is in this. They did not kid around. This is real honey. Wow. Uh-oh, food's here. We have a seafood curry and we have a salad. This is a spicy beef salad. That has a kick to it. That is really spicy. It's good though. It's got a nice flavor. It's not just burn your mouth spicy, it has a, I don't know, color to it. I just want like a liter of this to take home. Okay, diving into this seafood curry. That is a really good food. Our pad thai has arrived. Yes. You have Thai food all the time at home. How does it compare?
So much better.
Oh, so much better.
It's not dry at all. It's good.
Oh, that is so good. So good. So apparently a thing here is frozen beer. What's the matter?
It's like a frozen smoothie on a beer. It's weird.
Yeah, that's not how I describe that.
What is it?
No, it's like it's just a Pilsner, but like the consistency is different.
That was an experience. Even though we're exhausted and would love to go to sleep, dip in the pool first. Maybe a free drink. The hotel has provided us with complimentary flip-flops. I can't tell if this is a sunburn or if this is from my bag. This right here.
Usually this would be bag.
I think it's from my bag. I think I managed to go day 1 without getting too burned. We're going to the pool. This is so good. It's literally just juice, but it's good juice. Oh, cheers. Wait, whoa. I almost broke the glass. I'm so
such a mess. This is great. I'm just good like laying here. I don't even need to go swimming. The verdict from Justin is that it's really cold. It feels so good out here. It feels fantastic. It's a perfect temperature. That was terrifying. There's more than one way to enjoy a pool. Oh my god, that is so cold. Holy crap, how are you in this water? Nope, 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 nope. Okay, bye. I'm gonna hang out right here. Well, that was an absolutely lovely ending to a beautiful first day in Thailand. I cannot believe I have all the drone paperwork I need. I'm so excited to put the drone in the air and to do so legally.